automated emailing based on when we sent the last correspondence or the customer hasn't signed it. So we just want to nudge them. What's the process to do that?
Follow-up, auto follow-up feature. Now that's a new feature. If you want that, we would just charge about a couple of $100 and add that feature to your account. So how that would work is when you send this quotation over here, you will have another option here called auto follow-up. You could set that up as well. Like this is the first email. Maybe I'll show you from one of our YouTube channels, maybe. So how that works is something like this. So when you click on send, you will have another additional option called auto follow-up. Choose that template, and you can say add follow-up, and it'll give you additional 2 compose options. And then you can say, okay, after 3 days, send this email to them. If no reply took place, again, send another follow-up. So that will automatically follow up. And in between, if there's a coordination or reply, that'll automatically stop that follow-up.